I think it is.
Okay, here's the cold start. And this is what the temperature is. Show that's really a cold start.
It actually increased to 11 degrees.
Oh, okay. Oh, I can't see it. Son of a bitch. There you can see it. 11 degrees.
Here we sport.
So we're gonna see a big dirty will start. Or old yellow, whatever you want to call him. Kinda got a problem though with him. He kinda caught on fire on me yesterday. Yeah, he caught on fire.
And as I evaluated it, it's probably something inside the wiring harnesses.
Holy
probably
shit.
in the dashboard.
That's a heavy bitch. Yeah, I'll show you here real quick. Okay, from where the key goes, I don't know, you probably won't be able to see it. And over, there's nothing but smoke coming out of there. Yeah, it wasn't too good. But, oh yeah, we gotta get some pedal pumping here.
You're in.
We gotta get some pedal pumping and an exhaust shot down for starting. It is absolutely freezing.
Oh, this morning when I woke up,
My
it was about 6 degrees, but then it was starting to decrease. The temperature was starting to decrease.
Yeah, but it actually feels like -2 or some shit like that.
Yeah, that's it. It felt like -2.
Don't catch on fire. Pump the shit out of it.
Whoa! I hear a clicky click inside the dash. Uh-oh. Okay.
Stay running. Uh-oh, what's smoking? Hey, what's smoking in there?
Take the camera.
Hey, go see what's smoking real quick. Oh, we gotta see. We gotta see, guys.
Shut it off, you got a cracked head.
Hey, what?
You got a cracked manifold out here. Shut it off.
That's alright.
Shut it off.
That's alright. Good enough. Now I can see this bitch will start. Huh?
Shut it down.
Hold on.
Manifold. I'll keep an eye on it. It stops, but it'll probably short back.
It'll be alright. Okay, we just discovered a problem. There's a crack somewhere over. Oh shit, you can't see. Hold on. Over somewhere in that corner there.
Probably
Something's cracked. Good enough.
you probably got a cracked head or a bad manifold.
Okay, now we gotta see if this bitch will start. Oh, what's that deeper side here so you can see? That should be good. Good enough. Oh.
Oh, scratch that. It wouldn't be a head. Well, it's manifold. I'll call the expert.
She's charging to beat the shit. this is on this last loop.
Yeah, it's done. He's over. Usually I'd be in front of the camera helping out, but I'm going to have to keep an eye on this damn thing.
That'll be alright. Once you see smoke go from the side here coming out, that's not gonna work. Number 9 on shit. Really should be. Oh shit. That might help you turn the fuel on. That might help us a little bit. Come on, you slut. Don't help if I don't have a trophy there.
The wind chill factor right now is probably more than it's
Oh, look at the tank. no-go. to say about it. Piece of shit. Here, check this out. Shows you how cold it really is. Yeah. Well, I guess it's still shaking too a little bit. A little cold. But I guess since that one's a no-go, I know the Monty will go. Just did the axle on it. Actually got posi. I love it now. Except for the fucking belt slips off. But that'll be the next one. And then that bitch too that hasn't been started in a while. Cool. See you in part 2.